Okay, you guys, so here we are. We're at the event. This is embarrassing. Our car's up on jack stands, and the fuel pump is pulled out of the car. Normally the top of the pump would be right here, so it sticks through into the trunk. Well, I warmed the car up, and I got back to the pit, and the car shut off before I shut it off, and the pump was not turning. We were going to pump the fuel out of the fuel cell and put some fresh gas in there. Some stuff that I just took out of the drum last night. And this is a Berry Grant 400. And this little bearing, I've already put it back together. I should have filmed the whole thing, but the little bearing seal was loose inside the housing here. And the little cage that holds all the little ball bearings in, a little chunk of that had broken off and it was wedged. So the bearing was acting like a sprag. It would turn in one direction sort of and not the other at all. And it was because a piece of the bearing cage was wedged in there. So hopefully I can put this mess back together. All the brushes came flying out and the springs, and it's a big mess. But if I can get this to go back in and get it all put back together, we might actually be able to make some passes today, hopefully. All right, so what would racing be without some drama? So I got the pump put back together and it turns. And now we're gonna put it back in and see what happens. Getting those 4 brushes back in, trying to hold all that mess and get the cap back on and have the springs stay and the brushes stay. I didn't have a way to hold the camera or I would have showed you guys, but anyway, it's back together. It spins good. We're gonna put it in the car and we're gonna see what happens.
You're on.
All right, let's see what happens. Oh, we gotta put this thing up. Ugh. All this race car stuff. Hopefully I can see where I'm going. Oh, something's going on with the track. So we got a little delay. What's going on?
Heard you had some fuel pump debaclement.
I did. The bearing was seized. The little cage that holds the little rollers in.
Yeah.
The cage, a piece broke and got down into the actual roller bearing part of it.
Yeah.
And it acted like a sprag. It would turn one way, but it wouldn't turn the other.
Oh wow.
So I grabbed a plier and managed to get a hold of the little, it was like a hangnail stuck in the bearing, and I got it out. and lubed her up and put the bearing seal back on, and sounds better than ever now.
Right on. Oh yeah. I think we're about ready.
So I think it's gonna be good, I hope.
Yeah.
Record me if you can.
Oh yeah, I have been.
I appreciate it.
Yep.
That was a good pass.